These are the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 6, Linear Models and Systems of Linear Equations. So the graphs of two lines are shown in the same rectangular coordinate system below. So one of them is x plus 2y equals 2, and the other one is x minus 2y equals 6. Which graph is which? So a hint would be to find x and y intercepts. So we talked about how to find those in a previous lesson. So remember, if you're looking for a y-intercept, you make x 0, because any point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So you make your x 0 in the equation, and you solve for the y. So I have 0 plus 2y equals 2, so y equals 1. So this equation has a y-intercept of 1, which means the green line is x plus 2y equals 2, and then the blue line, it has to be the other one, x minus 2y equals 6. Okay, determine if the following statements are true or false. The point 4, negative 1 satisfies the equation x plus 2y equals 2. So I'm asking, is this point on this line? So is 4, negative 1 on the green line? So 4, negative 1, it does appear to be on the green line. So if I just go to the point 4, negative 1, it's right here. It does appear to be on the green line. So I'm going to say true. If I wanted to check algebraically, I would replace this x with a 4 and this y with a negative 1 and see if the equation is true. So I have 4 plus 2 times negative 1. Does that equal 2? So 4 minus 2 equals 2. That is correct. Okay, that is a true statement. So 4, negative 1 satisfies that equation. Does 4, negative 1 satisfy x minus 2y equals 6? So is this point on the blue line? It does appear to be. It looks like that 4, negative 1 is on the blue line as well. And to check algebraically, put the 4 in for x. 4 minus 2 times y, so negative 1 is the y. Does that equal 6? Well, yes, because 4 plus 2 equals 6. So this is true also. So if this point makes both equations true, okay, this point lies on both lines, then it is a solution to the system of equations. Any point that makes both equations true at the same time is a solution to the system.